Good morning, hail and well met. We are going to the Renaissance Fair.
Is this video?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It is a video. I ask that question all the time. Why don't I never know the answer to it? Good morning.
Good morning.
Tired.
She's tired. She slept. I drove. She slept. I drove. We're all good. We are going.
Would you guys like the? Would you like me to take that picture for you?
No, we're taking a video.
Oh, video. Would you like the win a free Malibu?
Hey, that's
Sign
pretty
up for
fun.
the video, or you can win $50,000.
Hey, I'll take it. Here, take a video of me signing up for this.
Do you want to sign up too? You get on the video.
Sure. Yeah, I'm like, no.
Thank you so much.
I'll keep walking.
Oh. Hey, we'll be able to catch up.
Thank you.
Okay, there is mine.
Thank you.
You want to do it?
Yep. Take it. I was like, I want one. Don't take. Stop. I hate videos so much. Oh my god.
Fare thee well.
Good. Turn on.
Taking a video back with you.
Hey, look, it's a little yellow moped John.
That's true. Start stripping down. I'm smiling more. Like, oh, God.
See, I'm not the only crazy one. I only talk to myself. Come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have fun.
Good day.
I was gonna say you too, but standing right there.
We're on our way to the Renaissance Fair. La 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 la. This is going to be very fun.
I like that dress though.
Isn't it beautiful? This guy's got a very pretty dress in front of us. She's the one that passed me out. Where'd my mom go? Oh, there's the wine shop. There's the wine shop and the pretty fountain. And a bumblebee. And my mom walking and a guy in a kilt. And a kid walking in front of us. And a tower! Crystal, and a tower! Ooh, wine sampling. Nope, nobody there. Sorry.
Bags, pouches, and purses check.
This is our bags being checked. Hi. There's my bag.
I'm always away. I'm from Brooklyn.
We're getting our bags checked. Do you have a bag?
Yeah.
Just make sure they're not going to kill anybody. I don't think you have to worry. Your anatomy book's in the car.
No.
Oh, thank you.
Picture taken?
Huh? Oh no, this is a video.
It's a video.
Oh, you're doing a video?
Yeah.
You need the video of that. Oh, you have a bag.
I could have just walked in, but I was honest.
Crystal's getting her bag checked. Poke, 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 poke. Oh, I couldn't squish your head. Skish, skish.
What are you doing?
Squishing your head. I'm squishing your head.
Free.
Yeah, but he got a kick out of it. Alright, well, there's people yelling. Ooh, they're dancing and singing. Come on, let's go frolic. Da, da, da. Come on, Chris. Come on, come over here. Chris. Oh my God! There's a whole cluster of people singing.
There's a whole cluster of freaks.
Oh, pretty water fountain.
Speak on, Lady McCrae.
Let's get closer. I'm gonna make them nervous.
background.
All right. Let us tell you a story of when we girls went out and had way too much fun ourselves. Hi, lady. Ready? I am ready. You're ready. 1, 2, 3.
There were 3 drunken maidens who lived on the Isle of Wight. They drank from Monday morning, didn't stop till Saturday night. When Saturday night came around and still they wouldn't get out. And then those drunken maidens, they pushed the jug about. Then in comes bouncing Sally with a face as red as a bloom. Move over my jolly sisters and give your Sally some room. For I will be your equal before the night is out. And then those drunken maidens, they push the jug about. There was wine and whiskey and cider and beer, and every kind of sweetmeat, no scarcity was there. They 40 quarts of beer, all told they fairly drunk it up. And then those drunken maidens, they push the jug about. And in comes the landlord, and he's looking for his pay. I've a bill for 40 shillings that you all have got to pay. They hadn't got the money, but still they wouldn't get out. And then those drunken maidens, they push the jug about. Now where is all your jewelry, your mantles crisp and fine? They've all been swallowed up, my dear, in tankards of good wine. And where is all your good sense, you made so fair and gay? We left them in the public house, we drank them clean away. We left them in the public house.
I love you, but not that much.
We drank them clean away.
That explains all.
Hey!
That explains so.
Well, you heard them, drunken maidens. Come on.
Your mom's over there.
Mom. Alright, we're gonna end this video here, and I'll talk to you soon.